welcome back to Arts for All. Hola, hola, y bienvenidos de nuevo a Arts for All. Soy Leah, I'm Leah, and today we're going to be talking about one of our core values, resilience. Y hoy vamos a estar hablando de uno de nuestros valores, resiliencia. Ready? ¿Estáis listos? ¿Sí? No? ¿Sí? Yeah? Okay, let's go. Nos vamos. Oh, hi! So, last year I tried out for this musical, right? Called Into the Woods. And I didn't get in. So, I decided that I'm not an actor anymore. También lo puedo decir en español. El año pasado, yo he hecho una audición para un musical que se llama Into the Woods. Y no me aceptaron, so yo he decidido que ya no quiero ser actor, o sea, actriz. But this year, I hear that my school is doing this musical called Once on This Island, and I want to audition. But then I remember I'm not an actor anymore, so I won't. O sea, este año me he enterado de que mi escuela va a hacer un musical que se llama Once on This Island y me gustaría hacer la audición, pero me recuerdo de que no, ya no soy actriz y no lo voy a hacer. Y estaba contando eso a mi amigo Mauro. I was telling this to my friend Mauro, and he said that I should have resilience. Y él me ha dicho que debo de tener resiliencia. ¿Qué es eso? What is that? Do you know what that is? Resilient? Resiliencia? Yo no. I don't. So today we'll be reading I Am Courage, a Book of Resilience by Susan Verde, art by Peter H. Reynolds. When there are challenges in front of me, when I feel unstable, like I might fall, and I think about turning back or giving up, when my mind tells me I can't, I look inside myself and find the strength that lives deep within. And I tell my mind, yes, I can. I have faith in what's possible. I accept the challenge and keep going. I move ahead, one breath at a time. I act with bravery. I am courage. I can trust what my gut is telling me. I believe in myself. I can feel scared, but still carry on. I persevere. I can tumble and still get up again. I am resilient. I can lean on those around me. I am not afraid to ask for support. I can encourage another when there is doubt. I am uplifting. I can know there is no shame in sharing. I tell my story. I can step in when others are struggling. I know how to help. I can be the one to clear the way for someone else. I am an example. When I feel uncertain and start to lose my balance, I find my center and gather my strength. I know what I am. I am courage. And I can keep going. We can all keep going. We are strong. We are capable. We are important. We are courage. And we are triumphant. Whoa! What does triumphant look like? ¿Cómo se ve? Victorioso, victoriosa, victoriose. What does that look like in the body? Does it look like this? Se ve así? Así? Or así? Or así? Or así? Or like this? We are courage, we are triumphant. Puedes decir, somos victoriosos. We are courage. Muy bien. So I feel like our story had so many amazing quotes. Me siento como que nuestra historia ha tenido muchos dichos bonitos. Like, when I feel like I can find strength deep down and say, yes, I can. Or I can feel scared and still carry on. Puedo sentirme con miedo y puedo continuar aún así. O cuando me siento como que no puedo más, puedo encontrar esa fuerza muy profundo dentro de mí y puedo decir si se puede. Puedo caer y puedo ponerme de pie de nuevo. I can tumble and still get back up again. When I feel uncertain and start to lose my balance, I find my center and gather my strength. Cuando me siento insegura, insegure y empiezo a perder mi balance, puedo encontrar a mi centro y puedo recuperar a mi fuerza. What do you think about these quotes? Do you think that you can use any of these? ¿Crees que se puede usar algunos dichos? Me siento como que puedo usar todos. I feel like I can use all of them. Well, let's move on to our craft. Vamos a continuar con nuestros dibujos. Venga. So for our craft today, we are going to make resilience cards. You just need cards, maybe a glue stick, because you can decorate it however you want. Confetti. I have ribbon here. Anything you want really to decorate. These are fun. These sparkly glue sticks. And we're going to draw on one side or write on one side a problem or a challenge that we may face. And then on the other side, we're going to write a resilience strategy that we can use. So en un lado vamos a dibujar un problema, un reto que podemos enfrentar o que estamos enfrentando. Y al otro lado vamos a escribir la estrategia para tratar con ese problema o ese reto. So we're going to write the way that we're going to face that challenge, especialmente que estamos hablando de resiliencia, especially because we're talking about resilience today. So I'm going to show you mine. This one, si saco una nota baja de matemáticas o de mates. If I get a low score on my math test, resilience strategy that I'm thinking is I can ask my teacher for more help and study at home. Puedo preguntar a mi profe por ayuda, puedo pedir ayuda y practicar o estudiar más en casa. Here it says, I fall off my bike, okay? A resilience strategy for me is that I can monto de nuevo en un sitio seguro y práctico hasta, me falta una, que me siento más segura. I can get back on my bike in a safe place and practice until I feel more confident. So that is my resilience strategy for falling off my bike. What about this one? And then we're going to put them in our resilience box for our classroom so that maybe if we face a challenge, we can use some of these strategies. Después vamos a ponerlo en la caja de resiliencia de nuestra clase. Por si acaso que enfrentamos a un reto o un problema, podemos tener una estrategia. Okay, so let me share mine. Y por último, and this one, si audiciono para una obra y no consigo el papel, if I try out for a play and I don't get the part or don't get in, I can keep practicing and try out for another show. I can still be an actor. I am resilient. Puedo continuar practicando y puedo audicionar para otra obra. Sigo siendo actriz. Soy resiliente. These are my resilience strategies. Esas son mis estrategias de resiliencia. Tengo muchas ganas de ver las tuyas. really excited to see yours. Oh, hi! So, I've been thinking I'm gonna audition for Once on This Island. Yo he estado pensando y voy a hacer la audición para Once on This Island. I know that even though I didn't get into the other show, I can find strength deep down and say yes, I can. Aunque no me han aceptado en la otra obra, puedo encontrar esa fuerza muy profundo dentro de mí y puedo decir sí se puede. And I may not even get into this show, but I can keep practicing, I can keep studying, I'm still an actor, I am resilient. Y si ni siquiera no me aceptan en esa obra, puedo seguir estudiando, practicando, sigo siendo actriz porque soy resiliente. Como un globo, like a balloon, we're resilient. Somos resilientes. And bounce back. See that? You bounce back. And back. And back. And back. So we're going to do some relaxation. Find a quiet place if possible and breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. So now we're going to roll our shoulders back like so. You bring your shoulders up to your ears and back, and bring them up to your ears and back, up to your ears and back, and up to your ears and back. Now you're going to bring your arms up like wings and roll your shoulders back and roll your wings back. Very good. Now we can switch directions and roll your shoulders forward and forward. Very good. Well done. Okay, now we're standing. Ahora estamos de pie y vamos a seleccionar nuestra pierna preferida. Choose your favorite leg and you're gonna lift it like so. Se va a levantar así. Se puede usar la pared o una silla para balancear. You can use the wall or a chair for balance. Okay, and when you're steady, bring your hands to your heart and breathe. Vamos a respirar profundamente. Breathe in and out. And in. Respiramos adentro y fuera. Bajamos la pierna. And we're gonna reach. Vamos a subir las manos al cielo así. Reaching our fingertips up. And we're gonna come down. Vamos a bajar. Y soltarnos. Release all of your worries to the ground. Soltar todas nuestras preocupaciones al suelo. And just dangle. Okay, and we're gonna reach again. Vamos a levantar de nuevo nuestras manos al cielo, right? Reaching up, and coming down, descending. Vamos a bajar y soltarnos. And just release everything and dangle down. Well done. Okay, now we're gonna choose that other leg. Vamos a coger la otra pierna y vamos a levantarlo. We're going to lift it like this, coger a la pared, una silla to balance, and then we're going to bring our hands to our heart and breathe in. Vamos a respirar profundamente así, and out. And in, and out. And in, and out. And we're gonna reach our fingertips up to the sky. Vamos a levantar las manos arriba, nuestros dedos al cielo. And come down y bajarnos y soltar todo. And just release everything. And dangle. Good job. Bien hecho a todos. Okay, now we're going to calm down. Ahora vamos a tranquilizarnos. Vamos a respirar. We're going to breathe in for 4. Get comfortable. Hold for 7 and out for 8. Ready? ¿Estamos listos? Okay, here we go. We breathe in for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Respiramos profundamente. Breathe deeply. And we're going to go again. Breathe in. Vamos a respirar. Inhalar por 4. 2, 3, 4. Aguantamos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathe deeply. Respiramos profundamente. Vamos a repetir. We're going to repeat. Ready? Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready? Breathe deeply. Let's go again. Here we go. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And breathe deeply. Respiramos profundamente. Bien hecho. I have had so much fun with you today. Lo he pasado súper bien con todos. Hoy, remember, I am courage. Soy valiente. I am triumphant. Soy victorioso o victoriosa. Muy bien. Y sabemos que podemos caer y podemos ponernos de pie de nuevo. We can fall down and we can get back up again. We can help each other. We can support each other. We can tell our stories. Podemos ayudar a los demás. Podemos contar nuestras historias. Podemos apoyar a los demás. We are resilient. Somos resilientes. I will see you next time. Cannot wait. Nos vemos pronto. Tengo muchas ganas. Ciao. Bye.